Indian Buildings Congress Tripura Center ni Philchichuku Annual General Conference Panda Khlaijakha Rajakhor Agulini PWD Tangnogo Manjakha Mantri Sushanta Chowdhuryno khobwi kubun Adongrok Asalo Rajakhor Agulini PWD Tangnogo Philchichuku Annual General Conference Panda Khlaijakha Asalo Pulino Panda Majarana Roidokno Labsu Sogina Harjakha Abani Yagul Asali Panda Kokshanan Thangai Mantri Sushanta Chowdhury Shaka Financial Bishoguru Angnani Thangai Dongo Barot Hakotor Mantri Bokrok Narendra Modi Hakotor ni Dalbidal Hasteno Manjakha Sikangai Tilangani Musungjago Hnai
in association with government for ultimate goal, ultimate prosperity of our state as a whole and the nation as a whole. Then only the cherished dream of our beloved respected Prime Minister to make India a Vishwaguru will be reflected, will be a reality. So all the stakeholders has to come forward, shoulder to shoulder, to take it forward further. My submission to Indian Building Congress would be that since we are a state, as I told, it's a landlocked state, neighboring Bangladesh, which is a foreign country. The present relationship with Bangladesh has been very upsetting. It's not palatable to all of us. But we never treat Bangladesh as our enemy as of now. Because Bangladesh as a country, independent country, has found a place in world map due to India only. Nobody should forget that. We treat Bangladesh as our brother, as our dear and near one. But the present scenario in Bangladesh is not very palatable. It's very upsetting to all of us. And infrastructure worth thousands of crores at Nishindapur, at Sabrum area, has come to a complete standstill. We can pray to the God, Almighty God, that good days will come forward and the dialogues for prosperity, peace, tranquility, harmony between the people of these two countries will be restored further, and both the nation together will follow the road of prosperity very shortly in the coming times. But what I was telling, that Indian and Building Congress should have a dialogue with our state government. As I was told, that Honorable Chief Minister also graced their program, the national level program, which took place few days back in presence of the other national level delegates, the resource persons for 2 days. They must ponder upon in IBC, Tripura chapter, to have their deep association with state government.
Abno karibo asalo kokshanan thangai Mantri Sushanta Chowdhury Shaka Bharat Hakotor ni bayab angkha Bangladesh ha phiabata bukti jorawa Bangladesh ni situation kisasek hamthaya Arri tongkor sekang ni hai kesang angka hanke ni cintopur te sabrum tei kaham lama angka hanke Bharat Hakotor teibo sekangai thangnai hinai Abno karibo asalo teibo dalbidal nangkukmani koklam sawai khnare kahasini Mantri Sushanta Chowdhury Rajakhor Agulini Simi Pronopni Koktum Chini Khorang